Sup, back in the video, guys. I'm Real Fan Landon. Here is CSX Geometry Train W003. Anywho, he has a geometry track sand car, tracks for defects and broken rail and such like that. Anywho, there he is right now. Moving pretty quick. I'll move back a little bit once he clears 32nd Street. So any minute they should be activating. There they go. There goes the lights right now. 32nd Street. There they go. But here is two old restored CSX passenger cars right there. Geometry track cars. And here we go. Apologize about the music. I don't know why this guy is so loud here. But anyway, here's Geometry Train right there. Here we go. Any minute now, guys. Be quick once he gets here. There he is. 32nd Street right now. Here we go. The cool flash doesn't flash right now, but normally it does. I guess set the ditch light, but the top light kind of flashes. Pretty cool passenger train. I don't know why I couldn't stumble out of my mouth, but anyway, here we go. Not really passenger train, but geometry with CSX workers in there. In the back, there's a viewing car where they scan the track for defects and such. Anyway, here he is right now. There he is, right there. Behind the tree. There they go. Right there. The guy ran it. There he is. Flashing now. Here we go.